Let's go. Right, here we go now. Fat man scoop on the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go.
So I'm just going to go this way, feed it that way, and not heat it too much.
And not touch that off that. Don't touch that off that.
I don't put that onto the thing.
Yep.
And how do you hold this? What's the best way to hold
And
this?
there's fucking 17 different ways, but you might not like that.
Like that? Is that stupid?
Is it comfy for you?
No.
No. So you just get comfy for you. I hold it like what you were there. I hold it like that.
Okay.
But then it all depends. I wrap it around my arm because that's what you feel like pipe.
I tried to wrap it around my hand, but fucking... No, is that it? No? Right. Oh my god. Oh no, that feels good.
Gonna, okay.
Okay. Think that's right?
You find it?
Oh, it's gonna be so bad.
Oh, here we go. Oh, shit. Is welding? Oh, no. Oh, oh, don't touch it. Lift back up a bit. And with the torch, come back up a bit.
Come back up.
Yeah, because you're too close.
Okay. Go again?
Yeah.
That much?
Yeah, that'll do. Lift the torch up a bit. Alright.
Oh, okay, I see. I see. It's not bad. It's not bad.
The fusion welding goes to it.
Can you turn that? Oh, aye. Okay.
Do you think this will hold boost?
No.
Oh,
Oh, I've got it stuck.
Right, carry on.
Hold it this far away, yeah?
Yeah, a bit closer. Right, go. Don't come off with the torch, hold the torch on so the tungsten's glowing.
Yeah.
If you hold it closer, it keeps the gas.
Gas comes back as well. That's no bad.
That's all fusion.
Is it?
What's the difference?
Didn't use much filler.
No. He's kind of just melted this to that.
So I need to keep more dabs.
Yeah. But then that was tacked on. Try and stick two pieces together. Go get that bit of aluminium from down there. What are these? Yeah. Try and put two bits together.
Okay.
That's where shit gets silly.
Okay.
So the Pyrex cup and then go back to a standard ceramic.
Why?
Just for aluminium, just because you don't really want to use that on aluminium.
This fucking thing,
Just-
honestly.
They're not designed for high heat.
Oh, like that.
And aluminium is
No,
not
wait.
heat.
Is that what I had before?
No, you won't. You had it.
No, you won't.
You had
Like
it that
that?
way. Like a pencil grip. Like you're gripping a pencil. There you
Oh,
go.
but now my arm's not fucking in it.
Oh, you popped it. That's it. Oh, you sussed it.
Oh,
You
fucking got it.
You could go offshore looking like that.
I need to
You
go
could
back
be
to
Egypt.
school, like. Right. Okay.
Am I holding this here?
Aye.
Okay.
Just to tack
this.
it.
I don't have this at my house. I don't have you holding my shit.
Oh, fuck it.
Tungsten's ruined, look.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna have to buy a new one. Look at smoke.
What do I need to do now with that?
I need to trip over this. You need to go and grind it. Because you just fucked it.
Fucked it straight
Look
away.
at the fucking contamination and all shit. Oh, it's hot. Don't put that down like that.
No,
No, because it bugs me. You scratch your fucking glass.
just put it in there like that.
Well, no, that's probably not a good idea. You knock it over. Hang it over the end of the lace.
Okay.
Oh, he's...
Right.
Right. Well, you will.
Is that enough stick out?
Yeah. But, no, go less than that. Yeah.
I heard the stick out was meant to be the distance of the cut.
Yeah, you can go the full width, that's a max.
Okay.
But
So that's rule of thumb is just the width of your cup is the most.
Remember, you don't use that for them
No.
because it doesn't take the heat. They do shatter those, and when they do, they go everywhere.
Oh fuck! I need to try to get this
So
to
you're
work
not,
again.
you're not major heat, so. Oh, you need to plug the welder back in. It's not making a
Oh
noise.
yeah. That's not gonna work.
No. I've got your filler on hand.
Honest
You
Christ,
need
like
to learn how to feed wire.
yeah.
Because you can't just like fucking do that. You know, like have it up in there and then just jab it
No,
in.
because I heard you're meant to feed it with your thumb or something.
I feed it with my thumb, so I'm like that.
So you're like a pencil with that as
Yeah,
well.
speed.
Okay.
This is well, man. You've never even fucking pressed
I
record.
can't even push the filler rod.
You've not even pressed record.
How do you push it?
Feed it. Use your thumb.
I am, but this is fucking new.
Oh, just a tube.
I'll just dab.
Yeah,
I'll just
do that. Just get it back.
pretty much. Right. Is that a good a distance?
Oh no, you need to be closer than that, but you don't want to be too close. Right, go for it. Light it up. Right, base on the base side. Don't put filler in yet. No, don't. You'll know when it's ready. Right, stop. Don't put the filler in. Wait till you get a cover. See it starts getting shiny and floaty.
Yeah.
Right, hold it back towards the filler, the base side. Come back towards you with it. Right, wait till that starts getting bubbly and shiny. Put filler in now. Oh, my hand's melting.
I nearly had it.
Did you fuck me?
I did.
Come on, my hand's getting hot as fuck. Metal's getting roasted. Come on, tap it. Get it together.
What the fuck is going on?
Ah, fingers. This is what aluminium does. This is aluminium. You thought this was a good idea. Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Fingers.
Why does it do that? It's like building up as a big poo.
Because you're getting the filler too close and you're on the wrong angle with this.
So what? I
you're
need
heating
to.
the filler
So I need to
touching
just
that.
hold the filler in,
Yeah, but more less angle on the top.
like that.
Yeah. I need some grip sticking in my fucking finger. Stick it. Oh, you nailed it now.
Did I stick it?
Break it off. Wiggle it. Oh, so cool.
Fuck, like.
Right, hang on, because I'm fucking done here. Go. Yeah, stick in.
I've got it.
Attach it. Oh,
Look at that.
you can start doing jobs now.
Fucking hell.
My fingers are done.
How is it so difficult to type that?
Because that's aluminium. Trying to get the first tack on it is a falling. So what happens is it always wants to find a better earth, wants to go to one thing or the other. Like when I was tacking the turbo, it was always trying to stay to the turbo.
Yeah.
And then when you get it close to the pipe, it wants to jump to the pipe. That's where the
What the fuck
frequency.
is that like? Oh, bollocks. Look what I did.
Oh, that'll be fine. I think your camera's not
Up to it.
yeah, because it is better through the screen.
Yeah.
If you want.
My first weld without Calum teaching me. It's okay. It's a gear linkage. Oh, see if it's straight like. That's the main thing, and it's flat. Kind of.